Hey guys, welcome to week 3. For week 3, we have chapter 10 and some videos. So basically, your quiz that is there this week is based on the videos that you are going to be watching. The ethics quiz, this is called an ethics quiz. It's a core key assessment. So every school and society section at West College of Education is doing this quiz. So let's look at the instructions. So you have two documents. Here are the instructions and here is the quiz. And this is going to be a watch me first, which will be posted right on the top over here. So for your instructions, as you can see, I provide you with the link. So you just click on this link and it opens up the quizzes.
Hi, I'm Principal.
And here is the quiz, and here you can see are the different modules. They are very short videos. However, one thing to notice is I have given you questions in the order of the modules. So they are not out of sync. I would strongly suggest that you take the quiz while you're watching the videos. Okay? So don't just watch the videos and then go back and take the quiz. Take the quiz while watching the videos. It is a very simple and easy quiz. I've tried to make it as easy as possible. There are no open-ended questions. Everything is changed into multiple choice. It is not time. Take as much time as you want. You only have one attempt. It is for 70 points with 28 questions, 2.5 points each. And it is only available till January 31st, 11:30 p.m. To access the quiz, you are going to click this link and that's it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I am here always.